Hello and happy Juneteenth, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all a traditional red drink for Juneteenth, Hibiscus Sweet Tea, or in Jamaica, Soel. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And this tea is perfect for these hot summer days. It will quench up your thirst. And it'll be perfect for your Juneteenth barbecue, pool parties, crawfish boils, and more. Everybody's going to fall in love with this tea. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my sweet tea recipes playlist and my previous video, semi-homemade 7-Up pound cake. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your boiling water, your cold water, and your hibiscus flower sugar, because we're about to make some hibiscus iced tea magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my bowl I have 2 cups of dry hibiscus flowers, and we're going to add in 4 cups of hot water. And all we do is let it steep for about 15 minutes. Alright, my friends, the tea is nice and steep, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that a beautiful color? So now we're about to strain them. Alright, my friends, I'm through straining my tea. So now we're going to sweeten up by adding some white sugar, or you can use honey or agave. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to give it a quick stir until the sugar dissolves. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in the cold water. And give this a stir until it's well combined. And make sure you taste it to see if there's enough sweetness for you. Alrighty, my friends, our hibiscus tea is complete. And I tasted it has the right amount of sweetness. So now I'm going to place it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a few minutes. And then I'll fix me up a cup and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, our tea is nice and chilled. And I have a little ice in mine. And I garnish it with some hibiscus leaves. So now I'm going to pour some into my cup. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. A straw. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Hibiscus Sweet Iced Tea. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. So cool and refreshing. Has a great balance of sweet and tart. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum. Hibiscus iced tea delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Much love, stay cool, and happy Juneteenth. Cheers!